Well, I want to thank you for letting me come in and meet with you guys here at Diamondback Bikes. It's really nice to meet you, and what I'm here today is to help you see why Maxxis tires are best for you and your company.
Okay.
So, a little bit about our company. We have outstanding reviews across worldwide. We're one of the leaders in bicycle tire market, and basically we like to partner with the people that we work with, not only for a current relation but future relations. Right now I'm in the understanding that you guys are moving into mountain bikes.
Yes.
And I did a little bit of research, and I see that you guys are a little bit newer in the market, and number one, that's great that you guys are being successful, you guys are getting out there, and we are interested in maximizing your profit, helping you get out there, and we want to be there for you, and not only now, but in the future. So if you don't mind, I wanted to ask you a couple questions.
Absolutely.
Excellent. So when we're talking about moving into your new line of mountain bikes, what I didn't get a background on are what are some of the challenges that you guys see with partnering with a tire company?
Well, I think in terms of challenges, is just, I'm a small business, so I don't have a ton of resources to allocate once we do decide on a partnership, on a distributor for our tires. I mean, we're going to need some support on, how do we install these and kind of get some of that off the ground training from the distributor.
Oh, excellent. And besides looking over that, we're going to be able to help you with the training and all that. Are there any other kind of challenges that may arise, say money or anything along those lines? I know you say your resources are low, so money, budget.
Well, yeah, I mean,
in the training.
Yeah, I mean, obviously, being a smaller organization, we've got to keep a pretty tight budget on things. We feel that getting into this arena is going to be profitable, but obviously, again, we don't have a ton of other revenue streams coming in, so we've got to be very intelligent about how we go about getting into this marketplace.
Absolutely, and that's why I'm here today. I think we can help you absolutely 100% with that. Realizing that you guys are a smaller business, we have excellent technology for market low prices. I mean, that's excellent for someone, for those smaller businesses. You don't want to take a risk or a gamble on something that costs a lot and it backfire on you. The best part about this is our tires are guaranteed. We provide the training ourselves on our end to your people. As soon as you sign the contract with us, we send people out to you guys to make sure that gets done. And like I said, it's at a market low price. So, I mean, it's your biggest bang for your buck, pretty much.
Okay.
So why are we the best for you here with Maxxis Tires? How can we partner with Diamondback Bikes, and how can we make this the best possible relationship? And as I said before, our technology, I know you guys are looking into the sport field. Am I correct on that? You were looking into the sport. Our technology is brand new, and it's called hyper-threading, almost similar to that of Kevlar vests.
Yeah.
Using less material to make something stronger with better traction. Mountain bikes, that's the best technology you're going to be able to get. But the best part is, with the new type of tires that we make, a triple compound tire, we can actually make these tires for lower cost on us, and we can actually extend that saving onto you. This is new in the market. The tires have been tested, and like I said, the technology comes from Kevlar. Very strong, a high approval rating, and basically the people buying your bikes are going to be getting long-lasting tires, and that's going to make happy customers.
Yeah, and obviously price is important, but the most important thing for my business is a referral business that we bring in. So if I sell someone a mountain bike and those tires don't work,
yeah, absolutely,
I'm never going to sell them another mountain bike
absolutely
again, so.
That's what we thought when we put this technology together. We want to get a product out there that a company can be proud of.
Great.
And we want these bikes to go out and people to be like, wow, Diamondback bikes are awesome, and this really works for me. And they tell their friends, and you guys are bringing in more business. The money, as I already touched on, you can see from the chart over here, the average price of tires per unit in the rest of the market is $50 per unit. We drop that cost down, as I said, for the technology down to 25. We pass that savings on to you. That's just per unit. And when we go into partnership, we like to enter in contracts. And these contracts usually basically, if you give us a little bit more time, we extend those even more savings to you. So you enter a 2-year contract with you, and you need, say, 500 units delivered in the next couple of weeks. We start taking discounts from the contracts that you're in with us. So the longer you're with us at Maxxis Tires, the more money you save.
Right.
And that's what I said. And right now you guys are into biking. Have you thought about extending into any other kind of bikes or sports bikes, BMX, anything like that yet?
You know, we're going to see how this goes. Obviously, you know, we've been successful, and we think that moving into mountain bikes is going to be successful. And
Absolutely.
as that's successful, we'll grow into something else. So yeah, I think absolutely down the road we will.
And with that growth and our partnership, it's best that Maxxis Tires, we don't only work with bicycles, we don't only work with mountain bikes, we work with BMX, we work with vehicles, sport or training. If you go on to other parts, with our partnership, the newer products that you need come with that package. So say right now you're into the mountain biking, and I'm sure it's going to be successful. You guys are a very successful business. And I think when you move into a new area, we're going to be able to come right in, help you out right off the bat. No need to look, no need to question, and it's going to be those same low prices and the same guarantee brought right back over. And with that, I wanted to get a little bit of feedback. Does that sound like something that works for you guys?
Yeah, I mean, up to this point, I think it does.
And excellent. Well, one thing before I close up is you're getting the technology. The partnership's going to save you money. It's already low prices, and we guarantee that they're stronger, better built tires, and it's going to reflect well upon your company. But we understand there's a lot of other places out there. Why not them? Why over you guys? Whatever. And what we want to do is, if you're interested, is leaving here today, I would like to see if you would be interested in a free trial period where we would like to let you guys try out on your new bikes 50 unit tires. Those are yours. No contract, no anything else. It's just so that you guys can try them out as a trial basis. You would get those for free, try them out if you like them, and then what I would want to do is schedule another appointment with you to come back in and see how you guys like the tires and if we can get a partnership between the two of us. Does that sound like something that you'd like?
That sounds great. A couple quick questions though.
Absolutely.
Are there any other bike companies that you're currently working with that maybe you have some sort of referral from or something of that nature? Some sort of recommendation from?
Right now, actually, we're in competition with a lot of other markets. We don't really partner with some of the other ones, but we are actually working with the military and some of the other government products, basically looking for safer tires, more well-built tires. That's where the Kevlar technology comes from. And basically, we like to, any of our partnerships, especially within we like to make sure that it's beneficial to both parties and that we can reach a safer, better built product.
And then Kevin, from the service standpoint, if we did decide to get into a partnership, would there be would your organization have the ability to bring somebody out to actually train my staff on how to appropriately?
Oh, absolutely. I'm sorry. As I was talking about earlier, absolutely. When we deliver those units, when you enter that partnership with us, that's going to come with Maxxis Tires' excellent customer service. And it's something that we take pride on, making sure that everything is built around what you need. So you need to, all your people, they need to be trained in the new tire process, how they're built, how do they go on, what do they need to know. Well, that's excellent. As soon as you're in a partnership with us, as soon as the units are delivered, we have our staff on site to teach, train, and certify any of your employees that need to be done. And we make sure that we're giving this technology over to you so that you know how to use it.
Right. Okay.
Does everything sound good?
Sounds good.
So if you don't mind, I would love to set up a contract with you and get those free tires in here, let you try them out, and schedule a new date.
Okay. Sounds good.
Excellent. Thank you very much. It's nice to meet you.
Great job.
Thank you very much.
Let me give you some feedback.
Absolutely.
Let's see, do we have time? We do have 4 minutes. Well, first off, where are you going to school?
Here at Rasmussen.
Oh, great. And what are you studying?
I'm in IT.
IT, okay,
Mhm.
so this is just you honing some additional skills.
Yeah. For an IT, you see a lot of my fellow students in IT, they're usually really reserved, but I want to try to actually get out there and learn.
Yeah.
You know, I want to start taking pride in public speaking. IT, you usually get those guys that want to sit behind a computer and they don't
Yeah.
want to talk. I want to actually get out there and try to learn the
Yeah,
process.
what you're doing is great because you're making yourself a lot more marketable that way too. So if
Absolutely.
I'm as a hiring manager, I'm the Amy King of the Mokina Tinley Park campus.
Oh, wow.
I don't know if you know Amy or not, but
Yeah, I've talked to her a few times.
so I think that's important for you because I think you're right. I think a lot of individuals that get involved in information technology, they do kind of have that certain profile where they're reserved, more want, give me a project, let me
Yeah,
work on the project.
let me hide behind the computer first thing.
But you have to remember that, yes, you have to be able to do that in your position, but if you can also communicate effectively between departments, cross-departmentally with customers, things like that, you're going to have opportunities to go into management and
Yeah,
other leadership
exactly
roles.
how I looked at it.
And I got to be honest with you, Kevin, I thought you did an outstanding job.
Oh, thank you
on
very
this.
much.
I would say the one difference that I've seen between some of the individuals that have come in here is some people come in here and they just force feed the information.
Yeah.
And there's no back and forth, there's no dialogue, so there's no rapport being built.
Yeah.
In professional sales, it's all about rapport.
Absolutely.
Okay, so you have 1,000 different companies selling basically the same thing. The customer is going to buy from the person that they trust and,
Yeah,
and
exactly.
feel a connection to. I think you did a really, really nice job in that. So
Thank you.
I wish you the best of luck in IT, but I think if you ever wanted to transition over to sales, you do a heck of a job. Okay?
Well, yeah, thank you again. I appreciate all the feedback.
Wonderful.
It's nice meeting you.
Thank you, Kevin.